Hi, I'm Kathy, and in this video, I'm going to share a little more information about my latest deck, which is focused on arterial blood gas, or ABG interpretation. So this deck is small. It's 15 cards plus a cover card, but it really serves as a powerful resource to really help you understand acid-base imbalances and how to interpret ABGs. So some of the things that I cover in this deck include the ABG components, what they represent, and what the normal ranges are. I also take you through the different buffers in the body that help maintain acid-base balance. And then we go through the steps in interpreting an ABG. So we'll figure out how to identify what acid-base imbalance is present, and then I will show you how to determine whether compensation is occurring or not, and if that imbalance is either fully compensated or only partially compensated. And then finally, I go over in detail the different acid-base imbalances and what the causes, the signs and symptoms, and the treatment of those imbalances are. So this includes respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, and metabolic alkalosis. And then with my videos on YouTube, I go through a lot of examples so that you can get really good and really confident at interpreting ABGs. So my goal for you is that when you see an ABG interpretation question on your exam, you're like, yay, and do a little internal happy dance because you know you've got this. So I want to give you that confidence. I think this deck will help you out. Hope you enjoy it a lot.